Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Pudina or the mint has a very specific taste and we mostly use pudina either for biryanis or to make the green mint chutney or in drinks like mojitos. I recently happened to try this very tasty and delicious chicken curry with a nice pudina base and I really wanted to share this recipe with all of you. So today I'm going to share how to make this delicious pudina chicken curry. So let's get started and check it out. For the pudina chicken, I've taken 1 kilo of chicken pieces with bone. So the first step is to marinate the chicken pieces, starting with 2 teaspoons of salt. Next, add the juice of 1 large lemon. I'm adding 4 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste. Next, add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 3 teaspoons red chilli powder, 1.5 teaspoons garam masala powder. Next, add about 3/4 to 1 cup of curd. Just mix everything and massage the chicken pieces nicely. Mix all the chicken pieces along with the marinade. So now this is done. Let this rest for about 30 minutes. Next, take a nice wide kadai, add about 2 tablespoons of oil and about 1 tablespoon of ghee. To this, add a few whole spices, cinnamon, clove, cardamom and some cumin seeds. Next, I'm adding about 3 large onions thinly sliced. Saute the onions till they're a nice golden color. This will take about 5 to 7 minutes. Once the onions have turned to a nice golden color, add the marinated chicken pieces, mix everything well. Cook the chicken till it's no more pink. After 10 minutes, just add about 1/4 cup of water. Close the kadai and cook for about 10 minutes on medium flame. Next, I'm going to grind a paste for the chicken. To the mixer jar, add about 5 green chilies, a bowl of mint leaves, a small bowl of coriander leaves. Add just a little water, about a tablespoon, and grind everything to a nice fine puree. So you can see the chicken is cooked beautifully. So now I'm going to add the mint, coriander and green chili paste. Add the ground puree to the chicken and mix everything well till it's all well blended. Check for seasoning at this point. If you need to add salt, you can add it at this point. After about 5 minutes, I'm just going to add about 1/2 teaspoon of pepper. Mix everything well. The pudina chicken is done. You can serve it nice and hot. I'm serving this delicious pudina chicken with some nice jeera rice by the side. I've already made a video on how to make jeera rice. I will give you the link in the description. You can go and get the detailed recipe from that link. So this pudina chicken has got all these wonderful flavors. It's nice and tangy and spicy and with all that aroma and flavor of mint and coriander. It's an amazing chicken dish that can be prepared very, very quickly and easily. You can also serve this pudina chicken with some nice rotis, fulkas or chapatis by the side. This is an incredibly simple dish, but the flavors are just absolutely amazing and I would say this is a chicken lover's delight. Wow, you can see how delicious and tasty this pudina chicken curry is. Now I have served it with some nice jeera rice. You can also serve it with any Indian bread of your choice. Make sure you get some nice fresh mint leaves next time from the market and try this delicious pudina chicken curry and enjoy. The second edition of our home cooking book is now available on our website 21frames.in. I'll give you the link in the description. You can go and check it out. The book is currently available only in India for now. So you can place your orders on 21frames.in.